channel. This video is going to be for Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly view. So let us get into the video with Nifty first and then with Bank Nifty. We'll analyze both price action levels and look into the pro option data available with the option chain. And this is going to be the structure of Nifty in 1 hour, and here we got a clear falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge is a bullish pattern, and once the price starts declining and it goes in the steep way, that is where the falling wedge happens. And if the falling wedge pattern breaks out, we will be seeing Nifty around 15,200, 15,230 and 15,280 levels for the coming week. And if the market breaks out at 15,850, below it 15,850, and our levels will be 15,750 and 615 will be seen, and this would be our stop loss. This is what the price action says. And let us get into our Bank Nifty levels, then we'll look into our option chain analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And same way, let us get into our 1 hour chart, which is usually followed for upcoming days, at least for next 2 to 3 days. So this is going to be the same view. Just now we saw the view on Nifty, and we got the same pattern in Bank Nifty as well. Here also we got a clear falling wedge pattern. It has a 80% chance to break upside, and it can give a target of 36,333 to 36,461, and that will be the levels as per the falling wedge pattern. It has a 80% accuracy to break up, and 20% accurate 20% chances are there to break down from this level. So let us get into our pro data analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is going to be the levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. The support levels for Bank Nifty is going to be 34,220 and 34,080 will be the stop loss, meaning we can buy Bank Nifty at this level with a stop loss of 34,080, just 180 to 200 points stop loss, 160 to 180 points stop loss, and the resistance is going to be around 36,520 to 520, and we can sell at this level with a stop loss of 36,675. Another 150 points stop loss will be there. So meaning of support and resistance is obviously in the support areas we can go for a buy, and the resistance obviously means we can go for a sell in Bank Nifty at this place. And when we get into our Nifty levels, Nifty got closed at 14,938, and the support for Nifty is going to be around 14,653, and the stop loss for the support, that is buying, if we are going to buy at this level, the stop loss will be 14,546, at least in a 15 minutes candle. And safe players can exit in 15 minutes candle, and people who are confident, we can just hold on a daily closure. So if we are getting Nifty at the same level which I mentioned with the price action falling wedge pattern, the same level is given by our option analysis as well. So this would be a strong resistance for the coming week, which is going to be 15,254, and 15,346 would be the stop loss if we are going to sell at 15,250 level in Nifty. And this is what are the levels for Nifty for the coming week. If there is any huge difference or any huge occurrence is going to happen, I'll definitely post another video on the next levels. And this is what will be the range for the Nifty in the upcoming week, that is for March 2nd week. And so thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and support. Take care. Bye bye.